my name is Kevin Blaine with the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet, Department of Highways, District 4, out of Elizabethtown, Kentucky. District 4 covers the state routes of 11 counties, including Marion County. We have partnered with engineering firm QK4 to implement the East Lebanon Connectivity Study, which will focus on existing driver safety and access issues when navigating highways around Lebanon, in particular the east side of Lebanon between the two ends of the existing Lebanon bypass. We want to invite you today to a public information meeting, either in a virtual setting online or in person at an open house on December the 14th. We need your ideas and input to make this study a success and to ensure that future highway plans include road projects that meets the needs of your community. This planning study will look at two different projects from Kentucky's 2020 Highway Plan. Each project was awarded federal design funds to begin exploring solutions. Item 4-80152 is to reduce congestion at the US 68 Main Street intersection with Corporate Drive. And item 4-80153 is to extend Veterans Memorial from Kentucky 208 New Calvary Road to Kentucky 49 Bradfordsville Road. While it isn't part of any current highway plan, we want to be sensitive to future needs too. In the future, closing the loop on the Lebanon bypass may be necessary to serve the needs of a growing Lebanon and Marion County. So we decided to look at the bigger picture. This study area was defined to look at both Lebanon projects identified in the highway plan and the larger network connecting them. We're just getting started with the study and need your help. Before we can begin designing improvements, we want to understand how the current highway network is working for you. What's important to your community? Check out the East Lebanon Connectivity Study website at the link on the screen. Tabs across the top display key information and ask for your input. We're collecting survey feedback online through December 31st, so be sure to log in and tell us what you think. On December the 14th, we will host an open house public meeting. We will have members of the project team on hand sharing the same information from the website. We will be available to answer your questions in person if you prefer face-to-face meetings, and we'll have paper copies of the survey you may fill out. There's no formal presentation, so drop by the Center Square Gym anytime between 4 and 8 p.m. to chat further. And be sure to check back for updates as the study continues. We will host another public meeting in 2022 to talk about improvement options, costs, impacts, and more. Thank you for watching.